In this video, I will show you how to hide column in Microsoft Excel. So as we can see, we have some columns in this data. So you want to hide any column like F. So right click on it and here is the option hide. So that column is now hidden. Similarly, you want to hide this H column, select it and hide. Now you want to unhide. So again click on this bar, then unhide. Just keep your cursor between two columns and click on unhide. Where you will see this line. It's mean here one column is hidden. So right click on it and unhide. So thanks for watching. This is the way to hide or unhide column in Microsoft Excel. In this short and basic video today, I will show you how to hide or unhide a row in Microsoft Excel. So to hide rows, so select that rows. You want to hide multiple rows, so select, then right click on it and just click on hide. So these all rows now hidden. To unhide, move your cursor there, click on unhide. You want to hide any single row, so like for example 5 number, so right click on it and hide. To unhide, keep your cursor and you will see your cursor has now different look, so right click on it and unhide. And that's it. So this is the way you can hide or unhide rows in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.